So what is my day-to-day like as a civil engineer? I've been doing this for around 6.5 years. I am in the land development industry, which means we are responsible for the site planning, grading, utilities, basically everything horizontal around a building that's being proposed before that building actually goes vertical. So between Monday to Friday, I work anywhere probably between like 45 hours to 50 hours. But I mean, some weeks it can get up there. I really try to do my best to balance it because if I burn myself out, I'm just not the same the next day. The thing about land development is every project is different. So I could be working on a 10-acre townhome project, or I could be working on a handful of 1-acre sites for a bank, drive-through restaurant. It really just depends. So at any given time, I could be working on 5 to 10 projects, but all in different stages. And I just started up my new company, so I'm sure a lot of that work will start picking up. And since every project is in a different phase, there's always different tasks that you have to do within each phase. So for instance, like last week, we're doing an SIR, which is a site investigation report. We're researching anything that we can find on the county's code. Every county or city has a land development code that you have to follow to meet the requirements for your site. This includes setbacks, buffers, and just a handful of things that you have to read through. Then you're doing pre-application meetings with the city or county to ask any questions that you may have on the code. But then, some projects are actually being designed. So we've already been given a survey, the geotech report. We've already done a test fit of the site. We know that we're able to lay out the parking area or building, and we're putting together the construction plan set, doing the drainage design if we need to, and sometimes the drainage design can be underground chambers, sometimes there can be a pond involved, and that's what I have a lot of background in, is drainage design. So to keep a long story short, my day-to-day varies significantly. I could be on a couple of meetings, I could be doing drainage design, I could be reviewing a site plan, I can be putting together a grading plan, I can be in AutoCAD, StormWise, StormCAD, I could be putting together a drainage report. And I think that's what I really like about land development, is you just get a variety of different things.